Gentlemen, if you're trying to make your woman jealous so she'll love you more, you're already thinking about it the wrong way. And real attraction is not built through manipulation. It is built through value, confidence, and emotional strength. As a relationship therapist, I've seen many men try to spark jealousy by flirting with other women, posting for attention, or acting unavailable. Sometimes it gets a reaction, but the reaction is not always love. Often, it creates insecurity, mistrust, and emotional distance. So if your goal is to make your woman appreciate you more, desire you more, and fear losing you in a healthy way, here is the smarter approach. And before we go any further, if you're seeing my face for the first time, Amava, welcome to the channel. Do me a quick favor. Like this video. It's completely free. And when you like the video, it helps me know that I'm creating content that actually helps men. It also tells the algorithm to push this message to more brothers who genuinely need to hear it. So take 1 second, hit the like button, and in the comment section, leave a thumbs up, or honestly, say anything at all. Your engagement helps this channel reach more men who are trying to become better partners, better husbands, and better versions of themselves. Now let's get into it. First, focus on becoming a man with a full life. A man who has purpose, goals, hobbies, friendships, and ambition naturally becomes more attractive. When your happiness does not depend entirely on her attention, she feels your strength. Second, stop chasing constant validation. Many men become less attractive when they need reassurance every hour. Give her space to miss you, not by disappearing, but by being emotionally secure. Third, invest in your appearance and health. Dress better, stay fit, smell good, carry yourself with confidence. And when a man upgrades himself, his woman notices immediately. Fourth, maintain healthy boundaries. Respect yourself. Don't tolerate disrespect, manipulation, or emotional games. A woman is more likely to value a man who values himself. Fifth, stay socially connected. Spend time with friends, family, and meaningful activities. A man who is isolated often becomes emotionally dependent. A man who is connected to life remains attractive. Six, become emotionally balanced. Don't overreact to every message, every mood, or every disagreement. Calmness is powerful. Emotional stability makes a woman feel both safe and intrigued. Seventh, communicate instead of playing games. If you feel unappreciated, say it directly. If you need more affection, express it clearly. Mature communication creates deeper love than jealousy ever will. And here is the truth most men need to hear. The goal is not to make her jealous. The goal is to make her realize that being with you is a privilege. When you become more confident, more purposeful, more disciplined, and more emotionally grounded, she doesn't love you more because she's afraid of other women. She loves you more because she sees a man who is growing. Jealousy may create temporary attention, but growth creates lasting attraction. So instead of asking, how do I make my woman jealous? Ask yourself, how do I become a man she never wants to lose? That question changes everything. If you found value, please subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell, share with many other men, and I will see you in the next video.